Okay, so a while back I bought a lot of embroidery floss, like a lot, and I've decided to embroider something today. So I'm a huge fan of Carter in New York. I used to follow him on Instagram and he makes the coolest art. He uses a lot of neon colors and he does like a lot of embroidery as well, but his art is insane. Like, please go check it out on Instagram. But anyways, I'm gonna try making one of his artworks today. So I just had dinner. I'm considering giving up on this project, but I have to pull through it. I can do this. Oopsie. That's how it looks at the moment. Oh, that was a mission. But I'm finally done.